Hello, I'm Arav Patwardhan. I've been skating for the past 8 years, representing India at the world stage. So, जब मैं 8 साल का था तब initially मेरे parents ने मेरे को ice skating में enroll किया. It was just a hobby at the beginning, but over the years it soon became a passion. मेरी first international competition थी सिंगापुर में, the Sea Open Trophy. उसके पहले फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल कैंप भी हुआ था मलेशिया में, आई रिमेंबर, एंड इंडियन कोचेस नहीं लिया था तभी. एंड देन इट वाज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस एंड फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल कंपटीशन. मैं आई मेट players from different countries. What I remember is it was my first race and we were newly introduced to the concept of transponders. So I remember हमारे coaches used to come in the heat box and they used to tie the transponders and used to tell us कि you have to finish with this leg because then the timing is captured. So I think my first race was a triple 3-meter race, the 3 laps one. And then in the very first race, the transponder was in my right leg, but I finished with my left leg. And that's why my timing was mismatched a little bit. But still I made it to the finals and I think I got a gold. My peak came at 2024 Asian Open Trophy in Jakarta when I clocked a timing of 44.7 in the 500 meter. At that time I was in junior C and still gave a timing that was junior World Cup qualifying. So I was super proud at that moment. Almost 6 years I was skating on a small rink in India, but playing on the Olympic size rink gave a completely different feeling. So it was good, and obviously the first Olympic size rink in India, and I got to medal. At this point though, I'm happy to be back on the skating with all my teammates and getting better every day. In July 2025 में in Dehradun before the Asians and while practicing I fell and fractured my femur bone. It was completely broken into 2 pieces and I had to go through a surgery. Obviously the first thought when I fell was, shit, I'm going to miss my Asians. And then I cried a lot. I was soon hurried to the hospital and I remember Amitabh sir was there. He took all the responsibility at the hospital and called the best doctors and everything. I remember that accident completely. Like, I can't put it into words. It was not the end, it was just a pause. Started skating again with the help of many physios, my doctor, Amitabh sir's help, many guidance. I went through rehab and strength and conditioning, and it feels good to be back on ice with my teammates. What I learned from this injury is patience, because patience is everything. Every single night I felt like what would have happened if I hadn't fallen that day. But at the same time I remembered maybe it was destined to happen. So I think, yeah, all I can do now is get better every day. I think the main thing जो सबको करनी चाहिए is talk to your parents, because बहुत लोग अपने parents से डरते हैं या फिर they don't open up to the parents. Also your teammates, because your teammates have been on ice and off ice with you. The left femur. नहीं actually भूल गया. हाँ, left femur. मैं वापस बोलूँगा.
हाँ हाँ बोलो बोलो.